this is Magic Shadow. Happy to see you in a new video, and today I'm going to show you a very amazing and an awesome card trick, and this card trick is known as the Tricky Joker. Okay, first as usual I'm going to show the performance first, then I'm going to show you the tutorial how to do this card trick. Okay, so first we need a joker for this trick, and that's it. And now so for this trick we need two spectators. Okay, so I'm imagining two spectators. Okay, so I'm asking the first spectator to pick a card. Okay, let me say he picks this card. Okay, picks this card and he stops at this point. Okay, so he slides this card here and just doing some cuts. Okay, so now the second spectator is going to take in a card. Okay, so he chooses this card. Okay, so what to do is just going to put it in the middle. Okay, so now using this joker, the spectators are stop the deck in the middle, okay, wherever they like. So I'm going to riffle through. So let me say they stop at this point. Okay, so they hold on to the joker again. So here, if they stop at this point, before one card, this card will be, and further one will be this card. Okay, so but they actually stopped at this point and I found your card. The spectator one says, no, that's not my card. Okay, so the spectator 2 says, that's my card. Okay, so then, oh, okay, I did it wrong. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, so we keep the card down, and again we place the joker here, and we riffle through again, and he puts it here, this place, and takes off the joker again. So here we stop at this point, and if he stopped at that point, the one card behind it was this, and the one card further it was this. Okay, but he actually made a stop at this card. What? Joker? Then what is this? Whoa, that's your card. Supposed to be with the spectator 1, right? Then actually the spectator is having his card. How did this heck happen? Okay, I'm really confused. So, wanna know how to do this card trick? It's very simple, guys. First, what you're going to do is you actually need joker for this trick. Okay, so the spectator is going to choose a card. Actually, this is a 2 spectator card trick. First, you're going to spread the cards out. He's going to pick one card. Okay, let me say the card will be the 8 of clubs. Okay, can you sure? Okay. Yeah. So you're going to riffle through the deck, and he stops wherever he likes. Let me say he stops at this point, and his card goes there. Okay, so what I did in the performance is a Centurion card control. If you don't know those this card control, make sure you check it in our channel, Centurion Card Control. Okay, please don't forget it. So what you're going to do is, you're going to catch a break. You're going to take half a quart something from the bottom of the pack, and you're going to peel the top card. Okay, you're going to peel the top card and swivel the whole top deck here, and rest of the deck on top. So what makes it, the card comes on the top, it's actually controlled on the top. So now the spectator 1 is over and the card is on the top. Now for the spectator 2, he also picks one card. Okay, let me say the card is J of Spades. Okay, here it is, J of Spades. And what I did is, while they're looking at the card, I actually caught a break of this card. Okay, caught a break of this card. And what you're going to do is, you're not going to flash the gap between them, and you're going to just pretend as if you're putting it in the middle. Just you have to push some cards from the middle, and what you're going to do is, you're going to just slide it the break like this. It looks like you're sliding the card in middle. Okay, so now the situation is, you have the spectator 1's card and the second spectator's card in the second position. Okay, now here the joker comes. Okay, you're going to hand it over to your spectator, and wherever he likes, you're going to riffle through it. Wherever he likes, he's going to keep it in the middle. Okay, like that, legit. Okay, first you are going to hand it over the joker to the spectator, and as you're doing is, you're going to peel this card. Okay, you're actually going to peel the top card, and while you're doing it, you're actually hiding it. Okay, by twisting your wrist. So you have stolen the spectator 1's card, and you're going to say that if you stop one card behind, you will end at this card, and you're going to flip the deck, and you're going to make the spectator's card on the top, and if you have stopped a further card, and you will end at this point. You're going to show like that, and what you're going to do is, while you're squaring up, you're going to double lift the cards. Okay, you're going to double lift the cards, and you're going to say that you found your card. The spectator 1 says, no, that's not my card. And the spectator 2 says, oh, that's my card. If he does not say something, you're going to just ask him that, well, it's your card. He says, yeah. Then what you're going to do is, while you're just turning the cards, you're going to pick this card, not the J, the spectator 1's card, and you're going to keep it down. Make sure that this card is faced up. Okay, like that. So okay, the spectator 1's card is here behind the J of Spades, mean the spectator 2's card, and that time, while you're turning the wrist, you're going to pick that card and you're going to set it down near the spectator 1. Okay, make sure they don't touch that. Okay, and now you end at this point. Quickly, what you're going to do is, you're going to grab the joker and keep it on the top, so that the spectator does not see this card. Okay, you're not going to flash that. And what you're going to do is, you're going to do a double lift again, and you're going to give the joker to the spectator, but it is actually his card, and you're not going to give the card. You're just going to keep it in your hand, and wherever he says stop, you're going to do like that. Okay, and now again, you're going to keep it as a joker near the spectator 2, and the same first process, you're going to peel the top card, which is the joker, and you're going to say that if you stop me one card behind, you will end at this point, and one card further, you will end at this point, and last you come with the Joker on top. And you say, what? You ended up with Joker and that's my card. And this is your card. And you turn over this and what's that? And that's your card. Supposed to be spectator 1 has the card, right? And spectator 1 is having this card, okay? So what's happening here? You are just going to panic like that, guys. Okay guys, this is the end of the trick. Hope you guys enjoyed this trick. Please don't forget to like. Please hit that smash button. Please hit that like button. Please do that. Please. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And this is Magic Shadow signing out. Bye guys.